ओके, इसके आगे की बात मैं यहाँ पे पहले आपको समझा देता हूँ फिर लिख रहा हूँ। चाहे एसएलएम मेथड हो चाहे डब्ल्यूडीवी मेथड, दोनों मेथड्स में टोटल डेप्रिसिएशन का अमाउंट सेम ही आता है। उसका रीजन ये है कि हमने एस जो लिया हुआ है वो 64,000 लिया है। मतलब हमें कितना डेप्रिशिएट करना है एसेट को? 10 lakhs माइनस 64,000, मतलब 9,36,000 से। ये समझ में आ रहा है? मतलब हमको ऐसा इसको डेप्रिशिएट करना है कि एंड में जाके इसकी वैल्यू कितनी हो जाए? कितनी हो जाए?
64।
सॉरी, क्या बोल रहे हैं आर्यन? आप जोर से बोलिए, आपकी आवाज हमेशा धीरे आती है।
3,12,000।
गाइस, 1 minute. What I was explaining is that why under the two methods total depreciation under SLM and under WDV same, because we have same values of C, S and N, especially C and S. C minus S is what? It is the amount that we have to depreciate. So how much amount we have to depreciate? 10 lakhs minus 64, that is 9,36,000. ये समझ में आ रहा है? We purchased asset and the acquisition cost of the asset is 10 lakhs, and we estimated that this asset will be with us for 3 years, and at the end of 3 years it will fetch us 64,000. It means what is the cost of that asset to us is 9,36,000, because 10 lakhs is going out from our pocket now and 64,000 will come to back to us after 3 years. So the net cost of the asset is 9,36,000, and that only we have to depreciate over the life of the asset. That is why amount of depreciation under both the methods remains same. But every year if we compare year on year, then it is different. Here it is 3,12,000, here 6 lakhs. Here it is 3,12,000, here 2,40,000. Here it is 3,12,000, here it is 96,000. So here the amount of depreciation remains same over the life of the asset. Here, however, it keeps declining. हर साल डेप्रिसिएशन का अमाउंट कम होता जा रहा है। पहले 6 लाख था, फिर 240 हुआ, फिर 96 हो गया। करेक्ट है? समझ में आ रहा है आप लोगों को? दूसरी चीज, रेट ऑफ डेप्रिसिएशन हियर इज ऑलवेज लेसर देन रेट ऑफ डेप्रिसिएशन अंडर डब्ल्यूडीवी मेथड, बट अमाउंट ऑफ डेप्रिसिएशन हियर इज मोर देन हियर। पहले साल को छोड़ दे हम, एक्सेप्ट द फर्स्ट ईयर। इन फर्स्ट ईयर अंडर डब्ल्यूडीवी अमाउंट ऑफ डेप्रिसिएशन इज मोर, but from the second year onwards, here amount is more than this one. Third year also under SLM amount is more than under WDV method. Right? So that is what I am writing here, guys. You can start copying it. And guys, one thing, sit on these things at home. Otherwise, आप क्लास 12th में अच्छा नहीं कर पाओगे। कोई कुछ भी नहीं कर पाएगा उस समय। ना आप, ना आपके पेरेंट्स, ना कोई टीचर, अगर आपका 11th अच्छे से नहीं हुआ तो। और 12th बिगड़ना मतलब पूरा करियर आपका चेंज होना। राइट? 11th 12th के मार्क्स बताते हैं कि एक स्टूडेंट आने वाले 5 साल, 5-10 साल बाद क्या करने वाला है अपनी लाइफ में, वो अभी से बता सकता है कोई भी। तो अगर आप अच्छा नहीं करोगे, इसका मतलब आप लाइफ में अच्छा नहीं कर पाओगे फॉर श्योर। Note down this, guys. So, guys, this is how we have seen the two methods of calculating depreciation fully. Everything about these two methods I have told you. Now, accounting for depreciation. Now, here also, guys, we have two different methods of recording depreciation in books of accounts of a business. One method in which a particular account, that is provision for depreciation account, is not maintained, and the other method in which provision for depreciation account is maintained. So there are, you can start noting it down, guys. Two different ways of recording depreciation in books of accounts of a business. One in which provision for depreciation account is not maintained, and two in which provision for depreciation account is maintained. For companies in India, it is mandatory to maintain provision for depreciation account. So if your business is a company, then you have to follow the second method in which provision for depreciation account is maintained. So guys, now the first method. When provision for depreciation account is not maintained. So guys, journal entries under this method are, now look at here, do not write guys. When a fixed asset is purchased, the journal entry that we pass for that is example, purchased machinery for rupees 1,80,000. by issuing a check, right? Right. So machinery account would be debited and bank account would be credited, right? As per traditional approach, machinery account is a real account, bank is a personal account. As per modern approach, machinery is increase in asset and bank is decrease in asset, right? To charge depreciation. Here the rate of depreciation is given to us. And this machinery was purchased, let's say on 1st April, okay, 1st July 2020. We have to charge depreciation at the end of the accounting year, that is 31st March 2021. Guys, please do not note down anything. I may change these things. So at year end, at the first year of the machinery was purchased during the accounting year 2021. So at the end of 2021, we will charge depreciation on it at the rate of 20% per annum. So amount of depreciation here would be on the original cost of 1,80,000 at the rate of 20% for 9 months. Why? Because machinery was purchased on 1st July 2020. So since 1st July 2020 till 31st March 2021, we have 9 months. Correct? So this is 36,000 into 3 by 4 means 9, 3, 27,000. Now the journal entry for this is depreciation account debit to machinery account with 27,000. Depreciation is nominal account but because it is expenses as well as it is an expense as well as a loss. Machinery is real account. Now if we talk about modern approach, it is occurrence of expense or loss and machinery is decrease in asset. Because by using this machine for 9 months, its capacity has reduced, its efficiency has reduced, and that is why asset account is being created. Have you understood this, Aryan, Ashutosh, and Aditya?
Yes, yes.
I'm asking all guys, Aryan and Aditya. I hope you are there with me. So, guys, whenever under this method we have to charge depreciation, we have to provide depreciation. This is what we pass in our books of accounts. This is what we record in our books of accounts. We debit depreciation because it is an expense and credit machinery account or the asset account because of depreciation, efficiency or capacity of the machine has reduced. Am I clear? Correct. Charge or provide depreciation on the above
Excuse me,
machinery at
sir.
the rate of, yes,
Sir, what is 20 divided by 100 here?
20%. 20% means what? 20 upon 100, right?
Okay.
And here we have also been given method. So under straight line method, right? Now we have we have to pass one more entry to transfer this depreciation, which is an expense, to profit and loss account. Listen, guys, carefully. All the nominal accounts, whether they are accounts of expenses or income or losses or gains, all these nominal accounts at the year end are transferred to profit and loss account. So at the year end, like on 31st March, after charging depreciation of that accounting year, we transfer this nominal account to profit and loss account. So to transfer the above depreciation to profit and loss account, the entry that we pass is profit and loss account debit to depreciation account. P&L account is a nominal account, depreciation is also a nominal account, right? And it is simply transfer of depreciation to P&L account. So if you see now depreciation account has got how much balance after passing this entry, what is the balance in depreciation account? I'm asking you all guys. You imagine how depreciation account would be made. You all know how to make ledger. So ledger account of depreciation after this entry will have what balance? Aditya, Aryan, Ashutosh, I'm asking you, and those who are sitting here.
Zero.
Sorry,
Zero balance.
आर्यन आपकी आवाज बहुत कम है, धीरे है.
Zero balance.
जीरो बैलेंस, वेरी राइट. बिकॉज जितने अमाउंट से हमने डेप्रिसिएशन को यहाँ डेबिट किया है उतने ही सेम अमाउंट से हमने उसको क्रेडिट कर दिया, तो डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट में जीरो बैलेंस हो गया. सो गाइस, ईयर एंड पे सारे नॉमिनल अकाउंट्स का बैलेंस जीरो हो जाता है, क्योंकि उन सब का बैलेंस हम या तो ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट में या पीएनएल अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर कर देते हैं. ये समझ में आया आपको? So at the end of every accounting year, balances of all the nominal accounts are transferred either to trading account or to profit and loss account. You will get to know about this more in final accounts chapter. Now we have come to the accounting year 21-22. Our accounting year 2021 has got over, right? So to transfer the above depreciation to P&L account on 31st March 2021, we will pass this accounting entry. Am I clear? It is only a transfer entry, guys, from one nominal account to another nominal account. So expense has gone here from here. Expense has increased in P&L account and has got decreased in depreciation account. I hope you have understood, right? डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट से अमाउंट निकल के पीएनएल अकाउंट में चला गया, इसलिए डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट का बैलेंस जीरो हो गया. इसका ये मतलब है गाइस. ओके, नाउ लेट मी आस्क यू वन मोर थिंग गाइस. अगर किसी एसेट पे 20% पर एनम का स्ट्रेट लाइन मेथड से डेप्रिसिएशन लगा रहे हैं, तो उसकी लाइफ कितने ईयर्स है? आई एम आस्किंग यू। अगर किसी फिक्स्ड एसेट पे डेप्रिसिएशन 20% पर एनम से हम चार्ज कर रहे हैं, तो उसकी लाइफ कितने ईयर्स की होनी चाहिए? If we are charging depreciation on an asset at the rate of 20% per annum, what should be its life in years? बोलिए फटाफट गाइस। बेसिक मैथमेटिक्स है बिल्कुल।
सर 5।
वेरी राइट, 5 years। क्योंकि हर साल 20% डेप्रिसिएशन लगाना है। सो कितने बार 20% लगाना पड़ेगा ताकि एसेट जीरो हो जाए? 5 बार। 20 + 20 40, 40 + 20 60, 60 + 20 80, and 80 + 20 100. This is how the whole amount of asset will get depreciated. Am I clear? It means this asset which we purchased on 1st July has a life of 5 years. Right? The mathematics we just applied applies only to SLM method, not to WDV method, guys. WDV method में asset की value कभी भी zero नहीं होती। वो कम होती जाती है, कम होती जाती है, पर कभी जीरो नहीं होती। लेकिन स्ट्रेट लाइन मेथड में एसेट की वैल्यू जीरो हो जाती है एक दिन। एम आई क्लियर? ये समझ में आया आप लोगों को? I should have written this here, guys. I'm adding this line here. You also please accommodate it. Book value of assets, mean of an asset. बुक वैल्यू मीन्स हमारे बुक्स में वैल्यू, मतलब लेजर में। किसके लेजर में? एसेट अकाउंट में। Note down this, guys. You can start noting it down. Add this here. WDV मेथड में एसेट की वैल्यू कभी जीरो क्यों नहीं होती? क्योंकि उसका रीजन है हम उसके WDV पर ही डेप्रिसिएशन लगाते रहते हैं हर साल। तो जो कम वैल्यू है उस पर फिर डेप्रिसिएशन लगाया और कम हो गया, और कम और कम और कम, लेकिन वो कभी जीरो नहीं हो सकता। वो डेसिमल में आ जाएगा, बट इट वुड नेवर बी जीरो। आपने फॉर्म फिल कर दिया? तो फोटोग्राफ भी लगाना है ना? नोट डाउन दिस फास्ट, गाइस ऑल। लिख लिया आप लोगों ने?